How to fix the memory could not be written error on Windows. So let's get started. First of all, if you encounter the memory could not be written error when shutting down your PC, check if you still have open apps. If this is the case, close all apps first before turning off your computer. Doing so could help you avoid this error and stop it from recurring. Another solution suggested by users in the Microsoft community thread is to perform a clean boot. Technically, performing a clean boot means starting Windows with minimal drivers and without third-party apps and services. This technique helps identify whether a conflict from another app is responsible for the issue. If your RAM is starting to have issues, it could cause this error too. The best way to test your RAM's health is by using the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. If the system detects any problem with your RAM, get it checked as soon as possible. If a severe technical issue affects your PC's memory, it could fail at the most inopportune moment. If you keep using it without having it, at least check your memory modules might break while you are in the middle of catching a deadline. Avoid this trouble by installing reliable RAM sticks on your PC. Virtual memory refers to the small space on your HDD or SSD that your computer operating system uses as memory when other processes consume all available system memory. Allocating more virtual memory will ensure your device has enough memory to process its needs, thereby resolving the error. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.